Yellowstone eruption warning, Nostradamus predicted volcanic fire, shock claim. A Yellowstone volcano eruption was predicted by Nostradamus some 500 years ago, conspiracy theorists have claimed. The French astrologer made a series of predictions in his book Les Prophéties from 1555, and now 5 centuries later, conspiracy theorists are particularly worried about one in particular. Nostradamus wrote of volcanic fire and huge earthquakes in the new city in his book, which has some worried. The new city which Nostradamus talks about is open to interpretation, but many believe it is in reference to the U.S., which was discovered just 100 years earlier by Christopher Columbus and often referred to as the New World. Nostradamus, whose real name was Michel de Nostradamus, said that an earthquake that shall concern particularly the western area of the new city. Its power shall be felt in lands throughout the globe. He added that volcanic fire from the middle of the earth will cause trembling around the new city. The website reads, "Day by day, year by year, the truth of the age that we are living in is beginning to rear its ugly head." Nostradamus foretold this age 500 years ago. It's time to shift the world into a state of preparedness, not conflict. The age of the great floods has begun. It's not going to stop. If the leadership of your country is not promoting a universal state of preparedness, perhaps it's time to find new leadership. The conspiracy theorist site links the prophecy to the Bible passage Revelation 8:8, which reads, "The second angel sounded his trumpet, and something like a huge mountain, all ablaze, was thrown into the sea. A third of the sea turned into blood." The huge mountain in this instance is believed to be Yellowstone. If the volcano were to erupt in a similar fashion to the explosion 70,000 years ago, its last eruption, it would kill an estimated 87,000 people immediately and make 2/3 of the USA immediately uninhabitable. The large spew of ash into the atmosphere would block out sunlight and directly affect life beneath it, creating a nuclear winter. The massive eruption could be a staggering 6,000 times as powerful as the one from Washington's Mount St. Helens in 1980, which killed 57 people and deposited ash in 11 different states and 5 Canadian provinces. If the volcano explodes, a climate shift would ensue as the volcano would spew massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, which can form a sulfur aerosol that reflects and absorbs sunlight. However, experts have insisted there is a very small chance of an imminent eruption. The USGS says the odds of such an event are 0.00014%, lower than the chances of a civilization-destroying asteroid hitting.